So, all right, my name is Anna Mae Canwar, freshly married Canwar. I have a 7-year, 8-year history with Time to Heal. When I first started working with Andrew, I had hit a low. So if you're a person who has had a doctor look at you and say, I have no idea what's wrong with you, and we have no way of curing it, then you were like me. So you can picture it. I was sitting in a chair by a window, drooling for 8 hours a day. I had been diagnosed with epilepsy for no reason whatsoever. I was 27, and it was the height of my acting career. To go from a star that was shooting up and really excited and getting lots of positive feedback to someone that couldn't leave their house because I was having 25 seizures a day was crushing. And I was hopeless. I had no answers and no way out. The neurologist didn't know what was wrong. They had me on 5 different medications and nothing was stopping the seizures. So I was depressed and I was desperate. I remember looking out the window and just thinking, there's got to be something better than this. And I looked down and I saw drool on my shirt and I just thought, like, no, my life can't end like this. This can't be. Thankfully, I knew a person who had recently changed her life, Erin. She said, why don't you come and meet this guy? He's this big black dude, he's my buddy. He might have something to say to you. It's like, okay, whatever, nothing else is working, I'll try this. And I went to a meeting, I went to a Sunday night meeting. That's where I met all kinds of amazing people who supported each other and loved each other unconditionally. There is always a lower point you can go to, and I managed to drive my life down far, really low. It didn't have to be that way, but that's all I knew how to do. Once you feel like you've hit bottom and you feel like no one can help you, you've gone to counselors and you've told them everything that they want you to say to them in order to be like, oh no, you're getting healthy, you're getting better now, but you still feel hopeless and depressed and like life's not worth living. Time to Heal is the place that you can go to that's gonna stop believing what you want them to hear and start hearing what you're not saying. And they'll hold you to that. And the whole community will hold you to who you truly are and who you can truly be. Through working with Andrew and working with Time to Heal, I learned about my amazing ability to sabotage my own life and that I had created a giant pile of crap. Self-created crap. Oh, it's so much fun. It's very humbling. Through the use of humor and magnets and acupressure, we managed to rewire my brain. Now, 8 years later, I am on no medication, I have no seizures, and I have a whole new life. I did the workshops with Time to Heal, workshop 1 and 2, and I also got a life reading. I learned to navigate when I was about to sabotage myself, and I learned to rise in every occasion. Now, I am married. I met an amazing man who didn't buy into any of my crap, and we're trying to have kids. We've done marriage counselling with Erin and Andrew and Time to Heal. They've helped us set up an incredible foundation for our lives. For our wedding present, Andrew, he called us up and he said, hey guys, I'm going to give you a wedding gift. I'm going to take both of your life readings and show you how you can work together. And he built this beautiful, almost like a bridge for us to see each other clearly and to work with each other instead of working against each other. So for the first year of our marriage, we've really relied on this to help us through some tough times. I have a huge amount of gratitude to Erin for these 8 years of my life to stabilize me and bring me into someone that can be standing in front of you and sharing openly. It's amazing. And Andrew was the first experience that I'd ever had of being loved unconditionally. It gave me a safe place to blossom and to truly grow. So the community and Andrew and Erin is what taught me to be me. Yeah, there's help. You gotta work for it, but there's definitely help.